Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so the rest works predictably. First, confirm your Gigabyte motherboard model and BIOS build. Outdated firmware breaks secure boot checks. Next, make sure Windows is installed in UEFI GPT mode. Secure boot won't validate legacy MBR. Once done, prepare a bootable Windows USB and the Gigabyte BIOS backup or QFlash tool on a separate USB. This prevents bricking during changes. Now reboot into BIOS to begin configuration. You'll now change the BIOS options that control validation. Reboot and press Del to enter UEFI. Switch any legacy or CSM settings off so the board runs pure UEFI. This is required for Secure Boot. Then locate Secure Boot and set it to standard or enabled, not custom. If custom keys were installed earlier, reset to factory keys or clear them and re-enroll the platform keys. Finally, confirm Windows Boot Manager sits at top of the boot order, then save and restart to apply. You finish by validating the OS level state and addressing conflicts. Boot into Windows and run system information, msinfo32. Secure boot state should show on. If Valorant or Vanguard still refuses to run, uninstall Vanguard, reboot, then reinstall while Secure Boot is active so the driver signs properly. If the motherboard refuses to enable Secure Boot, make sure storage is GPT and not encrypted by third-party tools. As a last resort, flash the BIOS with QFlash or roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.